Next step is to enable the Appstle widget on our Shopify app. To do that, click on this Go to Shopify button. This will take you to the Shopify editor. Here, you need to make sure that the app is enabled, and then hit the Save button. Now, head back to your dashboard, and click on this Start Selling button. Here, we need to select a plan for the app. For now, let's continue with the free plan. Next, you'll see the disclaimer here. Click on the I understand button. One thing to note here is that the subscription app only works with very few payment gateways. The subscription app will only work if any one of these payment gateways are added in your store. Of course, I am using a demo store. And I've already enabled this test payment gateway here. And I've also created a video where I have mentioned step-by-step how to add a payment gateway and also customize your store checkout. If you want to follow it, I will leave a link to that in the video description. Coming back to our Appstle dashboard, you'll see this customized widget option. Appstle offers 7 different widgets options. On the right side, you'll see the widget preview. You can simply change the widgets here and preview every single one of them. But keep in mind that the free plan only offers the first widget. To access other widgets, you must upgrade to a paid plan. Next, we have the Widget Configuration tab. You can enable or disable these settings based on your needs. Next, under Labels, you'll get the option to change the texts. For example, I can change this Purchase Option text to Payment Option, and so on. We have widget content labels, selling plan labels, and much more. Next, we have customization settings, which allows you to change fonts and colors. All these settings are very self-explanatory. You can spend some time here and play around with these options if you want to. We also have this View Tutorial option, from which you can access a step-by-step guide which explains each and every setting of this app. After the widget customization, we also have the Customer Panel customization. This is similar to the widget customization. The only difference is that you are making changes to the customer panel. I will tell you more about this towards the end of the video.